so much.
Gift.
Thank you.
Thank you. Because you came from the US as two female travelers. So, how would you rate your experience and what would you like to say about that experience?
Yeah, so if I were to start when I was looking into making plans, I was not sure because, we have heard about
Yes.
many things, about Kashmir. But then I actually looked at your website. I looked at the reviews and they were very positive.
Okay.
So I made hotel reservations by myself, but then I wanted reliable transportation for
Okay.
about 11 nights with my mother and myself. And so when I started conversing with Travel My
Kashmir.
Kashmir, um, you were very prompt in
Thank you.
responding and very clear about you understood what I needed, and I had some changes in my itinerary, and you're very flexible. So my overall experience has been very, very positive and pleasant. And I would recommend your service anytime to any of my friends and family.
You were for like 12 days. You were with Mr. Abid. So how was Mr. Abid's role? How was the experience of traveling with him? Any issues that you might have? Hiccups that you might have got during the travel?
Well, not really. I mean, places, right? Places where, Mr. Abid was on time always. He always showed up when we wanted to leave for our sightseeing. He went above and beyond. He also helped us with paying for one of our tickets, when we didn't have cash available on us. So, very, very positive.
Was he good
experience.
as a guide wherever you required any guidance or assistance? Was he good with that?
He was very good about explaining all the traditions in Kashmir, all the maybe spots that he showed us, and the historical significance.
Any language barriers that you got with him?
Not at all. No, I'm fluent in Hindi, and so is Mr. Abid. So it worked out really well. And my mother was actually telling him that हमको आपकी आदत पड़ गई है अब, तो आपके बिना बहुत सुना लगेगा.
Definitely.
So yeah.
So another thing was the timings. When you used to discuss with us, it would be 1 a.m. over here and 1 p.m. over there.
Yes.
So, anytime was there some time that you felt the response is not prompt or somewhere that you have a lagging in the responses? Did you find any time?
Not at all. No. Yeah, not at all. You were. Whenever I had a question or, I had some doubts, I think, you responded any time of the night or day. I got a response very quickly, promptly. So it's very impressive actually.
Definitely. Let's say someone from US wants to visit Kashmir, because usually the government of US, they have introduced some advisories that if you go Kashmir, you go on your own personal will. So, what would you like to tell them if there is a solo woman traveler or someone from US who would like to travel to Kashmir but has heard many negative things in the media? What would you tell them about your personal experience?
Yeah, I mean, I would say, Kashmir is beautiful, wonderful, but people of Kashmir, they are even more beautiful and wonderful and polite. And even any stranger we talk to, they are so friendly. So any female solo traveler, I would say, come over, enjoy Kashmir, enjoy the company of Kashmiri people. This place is heaven, and the people here, they are very, very good people, and one of the best people that I've met probably in all of my trips that I've made. So,
Absolutely, madam. Thank you very much for
of
the.
course, sure, sure.